The Howling Hound, written by Liz Weaver. Reading warm-up. Review sight words. Practice reading the sight words before you read the story. New sight words: give, old, were, small. Hound and Mouse were old friends. They met when they were small. Now they live in a house with Owl. Owl and Mouse want to give Hound a gift. How? Asked Mouse. Owl found a small box. Mouse found a round flower. He put the flower in the box for Hound. Owl said, "I will give it to Hound." Hound opened the box. Owl. Hound made a howl. He was loud. Ouch! Ow! What a sound! Hound had to sit down. Owl and Mouse saw a small bee. It flew up to the clouds. Now Mouse and Owl were sorry. They did not want to give Hound a bee. They will give him the flower from the box. "Thank you for the flower," said Hound. Hound has found his best friends. The end.